In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shortcut to Microsoft Edge on your desktop. If you use Edge often and want quick access without hunting through the Start menu, this is a simple trick that saves time. First, click the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen. This opens the Start menu where all your applications live. Next, find Microsoft Edge. You can either click All Apps and scroll through the list, or simply scroll alphabetically until you see Edge. Once you find Microsoft Edge, click and hold the icon, then drag it to your desktop. As you drag, an outline of the icon will move with your cursor, showing where it will land. Release the mouse button and voila, you now have a Microsoft Edge shortcut on your desktop. If you encounter any issues, right-click on your application, select Open File Location, and then drag and drop the icon to your desktop. Double-click this icon anytime to open Edge instantly. This small trick streamlines your workflow and makes browsing faster. Try it out and see how much easier it is to launch Edge without navigating menus. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out more tips to make your PC experience smoother.